हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू जीके बाय निशा। अगर आप रेलवे एनटीपीसी एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आज की ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है, क्योंकि आज हम प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं रेलवे एनटीपीसी प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स के 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। इन क्वेश्चंस में शामिल है स्टैटिक जीके, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस एंड जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चंस। तो हर क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़िए, आंसर खुद ट्राई कीजिए और देखते हैं आपका स्कोर कितना आता है। और हाँ, वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद अपना फाइनल स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। महाराणा प्रताप्स फेमस हॉर्स was named and your time starts now. The correct option is option B, Chetak. Who was the first Indian woman president? The correct option is option B, Pratibha Patil. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? The correct option is option B, 1757. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in? The correct option is option B, Paris. The SI unit of force is? The correct option is option B, Newton. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? The correct option is option B, Godavari. The Indian Constitution was adopted on? The correct option is option C, 26 November 1949. The chemical symbol of silver is? The correct option is option A, Ag. The largest planet in the solar system is? The correct option is option B, Jupiter. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The correct option is option B, 8. Who wrote Vande Mataram? And your time starts now. The correct option is option B, Bankim Chand Chatterjee. The national aquatic animal of India is? The correct option is option A, dolphin. The currency of Japan is? The correct option is option B, yen. Who built the Qutub Minar? The correct option is Qutubuddin Aibak. The headquarters of IMF is in? The correct option is option A, Washington DC. The largest freshwater lake in India is? The correct option is option C, Vular Lake. The first Indian satellite was? The correct option is option C, Aryabhat. The article related to national emergency is? The correct option is option C, 352. The capital of Australia is? The correct option is option C, Canberra. The largest gland in human body is? The correct option is option B, liver. The Battle of Buxar was fought in? The correct option is option B, 1764. The first railway line in India ran between. The correct option is option B, Mumbai to Thane. The Green Revolution is associated with. The correct option is option B, food grains. The chemical formula of water is. The correct option is option B, H2O. The national bird of India is. The correct option is option B, peacock. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on river. The correct option is option C, Satluj. The longest river in India is. The correct option is option B, Ganga. The SI unit of electric current is. The correct option is option C, ampere. The Indian National Congress was formed in. The correct option is option B, 1885. The national flower of India is. The correct option is option B, lotus. The smallest state of India by area is. The correct option is option A, Goa. The capital of Sikkim is. The correct option is option A, Gangtok. The unit of pressure is. The correct option is option A, Pascal. The headquarters of WHO is in. The correct option is option B, Geneva. Who discovered zero? And your time starts now. The correct option is option A, Aryabhat. The largest desert in India is. The correct option is option B, Thar. The Indian Parliament consists of. The correct option is option D, President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The world's largest ocean is. The correct option is option C, Pacific. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India was. The correct option is option B, Sukumar Sen. The national tree of India is. The correct option is option B, Banyan. The founder of Mauryan Empire was. The correct option is option B, Chandragupta Maurya. The unit of work is. And your time starts now. The correct option is option B, Joule. The capital of Canada is. The correct option is option B, Ottawa. The sun rises in the. So easy. The correct option is option C, East. The largest continent in the world is. The correct option is option C, Asia. The first 5-year plan started in. The correct option is option B, 1951. From which year was the railway budget merged into the union budget? The correct option is option D, 2017. The currency of UK is. The correct option is option C, pound. Shola tree are mainly found in which forest? The correct option is option C, evergreen. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? The correct option is option A, John McCarthy. Which organization was renamed as Niti Aayog? And your time starts now. The correct option is option B, Planning Commission. Let's move to the next one. Who founded the Swaraj Party in 1923? Think it carefully. The correct option is option B, Motilal Nehru. What is the total number of high courts in India? The correct option is option C, 25. Which is the cleanest city in India? The correct option is option B, Indore. Sanchi Stoop was built by which emperor? The correct option is option B, Ashoka. What is the full form of HTTP? Think it carefully. Look at the option. The correct option is option C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? The correct option is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Silent Valley is a part of which mountain range? The correct option is option B, Western Ghats. Who discovered penicillin? The correct option is option B, Alexander Fleming. Which state is the largest producer of coffee? The correct option is option C, Karnataka. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? The correct option is option B, 1919. Who was the first Chief of Defence Staff? The correct option is option A, Bipin Rawat. Which is the largest Buddhist monastery in India? The correct option is option B, Tawang Monastery. In which year was the United Nations formed? The correct option is option B, 1945. Which article is related to Panchayati Raj? The correct option is option B, Article 40. Who was the Viceroy during the partition of Bengal? The correct option is option C, Lord Curzon. Which city is the headquarters of ADB? Here the ADB stands for Asian Development Bank. The correct option is option B, Manila. Bhadla Solar Park is located in which state? The correct option is option C, Rajasthan. Who wrote the book Indica? The correct option is option B, Meganthines. What is the chemical formula of washing soda? The correct option is option B, Na2CO3. Which is the highest peak in the Nilgiri Hills? The correct option is option B, Duda Beta. Which state has the highest literacy rate according to 2011 census? The correct option is option C, Kerala. In which year was the Right to Information Act passed? The correct option is option B, 2005. Which organ is affected by the disease goiter? The correct option is option B, thyroid gland. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? The correct option is option B, Marie Curie. What is the full form of URL in computer terms? Look at the option carefully. The correct option is option A. Which Indian state shares its boundary with the most states? The correct option is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Project Tiger was launched in India in which year? The correct option is option C, 1973. Who was the first Mughal emperor to use artillery in battle? The correct option is option B, Babur. What is the chemical name of vitamin B12? The correct option is option B. Which layer of the atmosphere reflects radio waves back? The correct option is option C, ionosphere. Who is the founder of slave dynasty? The correct option is option B, Kutubuddin Aibak. What is the pH value of pure water? The correct option is option B, 7. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The correct option is option C, liver. Where is the headquarters of IAEA? The correct option is option B, Vienna. Which gas is used to ripen fruits artificially? The correct option is option C, acetylene. Who was the architect of Taj Mahal? The correct option is option A, Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Which state produces the most gold in India? The correct option is option C, Karnataka. What is the SI unit of power? The correct option is option D, watt. Kandala Port is located in which state? The correct option is option B, Gujarat. What is the full form of COBOL? Your time starts now. The correct option is option A, Common Business Oriented Language. Which is the first bank to be established in India? The correct option is option B, Bank of Hindustan. Which treaty ended the First World War? The correct option is option B, Treaty of Versailles. Who is known as the father of economics? The correct option is option B, Adam Smith. Which layer of the sun is visible to us? The correct option is option C, photosphere. Who was the first woman to reach the South Pole? The correct option is option C, Reena Kaushal Dharmashaktu. Yellow revolution is associated with. The correct option is option B, oil seeds. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? The correct option is option B, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Where is the headquarters of OECD? The correct option is option B, Paris. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? The correct option is option B, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. तो दोस्तों ये थे रेलवे एनटीपीसी के 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रीवियस ईयर एमसीक्यूज. जल्दी अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें. और ऐसे ही एग्ज़ाम फोकस जीके प्रैक्टिस के लिए जीके बाय निशा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में और भी इम्पॉर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.